Hello, students. So I'm making this video to show you how you can type in an equation on when you're doing your discussion for as I was waiting for that video to get to a place where I can even upload it and download it or whatever. But I think it just now finished finally. Sure. Yeah, while I'm typing out this discussion question here, or these discussion questions that you're going to need to do for this assignment, I figured I might as well show you how to do that if you didn't know that so far. So let's see, what is the vertex form for quadratic functions, and what are the specific variable components other than x and y. Alright, so, and again, that's actually going to be your number one on this discussion board. So what is the vertex form for quadratic functions, and what are the specific variable, I wrote that twice, I didn't mean to do that, and what are the specific variable components other than x and y. So if you wanted to, of course, answer this in Canvas, of course, guys, the very first assignments that I gave you in Canvas were discussion boards. So at this moment, how many weeks have we been in school? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, how many? Roughly 7, going on 8, 9, 8 possibly, 7, 8, going on 9-ish, right? Weeks, and if you don't know how to answer a discussion board in Canvas by now, yeah, you can still ask for help. If you don't know how to do that, I mean, I do put my contact information up there where you can call me, email me, send me a Canvas message. You can text me. You can send me a remind.com message. I mean, if you need help with doing something, if you're not sure, you can always ask me. I mean, I don't just put that contact information up there for no reason. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. So if you need to, or if you want to insert an equation, and let me zoom in on this. Yeah, there we go. And so again, sometimes, or I guess depending on what type of device you're using, or what type of internet browser. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see there. Yeah, sometimes it'll be showing here up here in where you see this, the B, the I, the U, the A. Again, you can make it bold, underline it. You can italicize it. Y'all should know what those are. You can change the text color. You can highlight something. You can do the little exponents. That's what a superscript is, an exponent. Or if you needed to do a subscript like that, but we haven't done anything where you need to do that just yet. You can hyperlink something where you like a website in here. All of these things that you're seeing. So I may not have done a video with this showing you this yet, but again, you can upload an image. You can I mean, if of course, if you're on your phone, then it would be where you're uploading some type of image that's already on your phone, okay? And of course, you know how to transfer files, okay? If something's on your computer and you need to get it to your phone, then you know that you can email yourself and transfer it to your phone that way. If you can check your emails on your phone, right? Or if something's on your phone and you need to get it to your computer, you can just email it to yourself from your phone to your and just download it on your computer from your emails. But anyway, you can upload a video, you can upload a document. You know what I'm saying? And then these little extra stuff here. that may be showing, or you may have to click on these little 3 dots here. But again, the one that you need to click on, you can insert, insert a table. You can do all of this stuff. You can indent, you can put a bulleted list, you can change the way that the paragraph is setting. It could be left indent, centered, or the little right tab. And I don't know what that is. Okay, yeah, that's just okay. I ain't messing with that. That's something with apps or something like that. But anyway, again, the one that you're gonna do with inserting math equations is right here. Okay. Now it might look a little complex, but you should be able to see everything that you would need right here. That you would need right here in this thing right here. And so the stuff that you can type. Clearly type that. You can type y equals, okay? Even if you're on your phone or a computer, you can type that. I don't care if you see it, if you don't see an equal sign, but there is an equal sign right there. Guys, all of these signs right here, they've got them underlined. So this symbol right here, it may look like a plus or minus symbol, but they've got the plus sign underlined. They've got this minus sign underlined. And again, when you actually hover over it, you see exactly what it is. It's a plus sign. You hover over it. Now this is on a computer. That's a minus sign. This is a plus or minus sign, and this is the same thing, a plus or minus sign, but it's flipped. Okay. There's a multiplication dot. You got your equals, the times. If you just want to use the symbol that they got here, again, you can put in fractions, like 5 over. Oh wait, that's not a fraction. My bad. Hold on. But you can put in fractions. 5 over 8, 5 over 9. You can put in square roots, or you can put in other types of radicals. Again, you put in something like the third root of. But again, what you'll need here is what this says here is superscript, right? That's superscript. So again, you can type all of these things in like that. Okay. So you can do, again, oops, I didn't mean to put that there. Superscript. That would be what you would do to do a exponent. Superscript, okay? Alright, that's it there though. Okay, I just wanted to show you that again you can use that. And again guys, if for some reason it doesn't show up on whatever type of browser, internet browser you're using, then you may want to switch and use a different internet browser. If it's not showing up on Google Chrome internet browser, try using Firefox or Internet Explorer or Safari or you know whatever, Microsoft Edge, whatever. I mean, try using a different internet browser if for some reason it's not showing up on whatever you're using. It should show up on your Canvas app if you're doing it on the cell phone. All right, but that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you again. You can insert an equation because I'm asking you to insert the specific vertex form that was on the video. On my video, that's literally as soon as I download it, I'm going to put the link right here, and you'll be able to watch it right here on this discussion board. Okay, but anyway, that's how you can insert equations. That's it, folks. That's all. Goodbye. It's late.